Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to select features from a vector layer using PyQGIS. If you're new here, I recommend checking out my full PyQGIS playlist, where we've gone through everything from setting up PyQGIS on your system to our recent video on working with geometries in a vector layer. From this video onwards, I'll skip the usual preambles and jump right in. The ability to select specific features in a layer is an important component in any spatial analysis workflow. PyQGIS gives us several handy ways of doing just that, starting from the most simplest and building up from there. PyQGIS provides an easy way to select all features in a layer with their select all method. With this, all the features in the layer have been selected. We can confirm the number of selected features by using the selected features IDs method or selected feature count method. We can deselect the features using the remove selection method. Now if we reprint our selected features count method, we'll get 0 as we've removed all the selected features. If you know the IDs of the features you want to select, you can pass them as a list in the select by IDs method to select those specific features. If, say, we want to select all districts with a value of Western in the region field, we can loop through the features, check their attribute values, and collect the matching IDs, and then pass it to the select by IDs method to select features by attribute. PyQGIS also allows us to use SQL-like expressions to select features. This is cleaner and more efficient than looping through all the features manually as we did before. So in this case, as a parameter of the select by expressions method, we place region equal to Western to select all features with values of Western in their region. Another cool thing with this is you can make expressions as complex, like combining multiple fields or using comparison operators like or and not. To select features that intersect a boundary box or any other shape geometry, PyQGIS makes this pretty straightforward using the combination of the QGIS rectangle method and the QGIS feature request method. In this example, we'll use rectangle since it's the simplest shape to define and work with. Note the values we put in the rectangle object will depend on the coordinate reference system of our layer. For example, the layer I'm using has a projected coordinate reference system, so the coordinates are in meters and not degrees. We will then pipe the rectangle through the feature request method and use that as a spatial filter to retrieve only the intersecting features. We can also limit the results that we're going to get by using the set limit method. So throughout these examples, we've mostly printed the number of selected features, which is helpful but not informative. So as a bonus, we will display the information of the selected features. To do that, we can retrieve the selected features using the selected features method. From there, we can then loop through each feature and print out their details using the attributes map method. And just like that, we have the information of our selected features. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Let me know in the comment section how you use selection in your workflow, or if there's a specific challenge you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Be curious and practical.